Stop guessing and start growing. AI Kisan Advisor solves India's $12 billion efficiency crisis in farming. Welcome to the intelligent crop recommendation system designed for sustainable farming. Our platform achieves 99.8% accuracy and delivers results instantly. The system starts with input analysis by analyzing key regional and farm parameters. The farmer selects the region, West, and the soil type, sandy. Our AI automatically detects the soil nutrient profile based on this, with N, P, K, and pH levels shown at the bottom. Inputting the previous crop, pulses, influences the residual soil nutrients. This multivariate integration, using 8+ parameters, N, P, K, pH, climate, is our unique value proposition, capturing complex interactions missed by traditional methods. Our core engine, based on a random forest model trained on 20,000+ data points, delivers results in under 2 seconds, a vast improvement over the traditional 3-7 day delay. Our solution provides explainable AI to build farmer trust. The "Why this crop" section details the transparent reasoning, such as best choice for sandy soil and climate suitability, which is derived from feature importance scores where NPK accounts for 75% of the predictive power. The financial metrics show an estimated profit of 35,843 rupees and an ROI of 135.8%. The water requirements analysis guides resource efficiency. It suggests a medium water need, with recommended irrigation types like drip irrigation and sprinkler. This precision helps mitigate the 30–40% waste of critical inputs like water and fertilizers. The soil health tips section provides specific, personalized advice, including the soil nutrient analysis, N, P, K levels, and customized tips like maintaining a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.5 for MAJ. A robust system acts as a safeguard. When a combination of factors, like silt soil and a non-compatible region climate, causes major compatibility issues, the system provides a clear, "not recommended" warning. This prevents preventable yield losses of 20–30%, demonstrating the proactive nature of the AI Kisan Advisor.